guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about VanityCask Subscription Box, and today I will be unboxing, sort of reviewing for you guys. I really like this box. This is actually one of my most favorite boxes, and for those of you who are not aware about VanityCask, so it is actually a monthly subscription box, and it is a kind of a box which gives you luxurious products every month, and the price of this box is 999, which is like 1000 rupees. But if you subscribe for 3 months or 6 months, of course the cost of the box lowers down. So yeah, without talking too much, let's quickly see what we have in this month, which is the April edition of VanityCask. So let's get started, guys. So it comes in really safe in a box like this. When I open it, we have the VanityCask dabba in it. It is a black box. It is a very chic and a beautiful box. So let me just quickly take it out. This is actually the box of the VanityCask. So if you want to know how much I love this box, you might probably want to watch my previous videos. And yeah, so this is a very beautiful chic black nice box, which of course you can use it. Inside of it you have a ton of goodies. So this is the brochure that comes along with the VanityCask, and this is called as Shades of April, and actually the brochure contains all the information about the contents of the box, and it has everything as to how you can use the products. It also mentions all the ingredients and everything, just in case for those people who are curious. So inside everything is in a beautiful satin pouch. The length of the pouch has actually reduced from last time, so it is like this big. So inside of it you have a ton of goodies. I'm going to just show you guys what all we have received this month. So the first thing that I have to show you is this Nature's Co Cool Cucumber Face Wash. I definitely have received one of this, and this is really nice, especially for the summers. I think it is going to be great. It has a lot of organic products, and more than that, guys, I really like Nature's Co products. I think they're really good quality. So the next thing that we have in this box is 2 masks that we got in this month. So this is the Monsub mask, and this is called as Deep Brightening and Whitening. This is what it actually looks like, and it is a facial mask. I'm not very excited about the whitening part, but if it is brightening, it is good. And then the next mask that we have is this Monsub. So again, this is a 3D 3-in-1 mask. This is the ears, face and neck hanging mask, and this is actually the Pearl Revitalizing one. Then we also have some things which is like really exciting. So again, we have the My Glams nail paint, guys. It doesn't come with the box, but we have this like this, so it's great. I really like this nail paint. It is really long lasting. It's a good quality. It comes like with 2 colors. It has a really nice beautiful bubblegum pink color, and it also has a little bit of an orangey color, if you can see. So yeah, I'm very excited about this one because I have used this and they are really good quality. Then moving on to something else that we have in the box. So what do we have? This is the Sova Chamomile and Kurgi Narangi body wash. This is what it looks like, guys, and I'm excited about this one because I really like body washes, and I actually like trying out different kind of body washes. The quality of the bottle looks really good to me. So this is actually priced at ₹150. It smells of actually orange, so I'm going to try it and let you guys know, because yeah, but for a shower gel or for a body wash, the quantity is kind of a little bit low, because yeah, I think that'll be just good for 4 washes maybe. So the last thing in the box is this. This is M Caffeine Uplift Trans Caffeine Face Cream. It has argan oil into it, and this is what it actually looks like, guys. The cream is it comes in a packaging like this, and let me quickly see what it is like. Ooh, so this is like really buttery and moisturizing. I don't know what it smells like. It definitely smells like a men's shower or aftershave, but I just hope it is not very creamy. No, it is definitely not creamy. It has the right consistency, because I have oily skin, so sometimes I kind of worry about those kind of things. So this one actually is not tested on animals. It is paraben free. This is a face energizer. I don't know what that means, but if it just gives a little bit of refreshment on the face during hot summer months, I think that will be great, and that will be, I think, the best thing in the world. So guys, those are all the things in this month's edition of VanityCask. If you are interested in checking out this box, I'm going to give you a link in the description box. There's also a coupon code for you guys, so if in case you want to purchase this box, make use of that coupon code, and it's going to give you 1 item free. There's a little baby in my hand, so that's why, you know, I'm a little bit tied down. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one very soon. Till then, guys, you take care of yourself, keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling, and I love you very much. Bye, guys. Mwah, from both of us. Bye.